This is Serapis Bay. We are pleased to be communicating with you. We want you to know that all is well, all is well, all is well. We are wanting you to know that everything is frequency. You are surrounded by frequency. You are always interacting with those in the human form that have different frequencies and vibrations. It is possible for you to continue to raise your frequency and release the emotional pain and blocks and programming from your energetic bodies. And we want you to know that high frequency music and vibrations can support you in that. Pay attention to those that you are with who have a much lower frequency and vibration, especially while you are strengthening and healing yourself. You are able to transcend those low frequency vibrations and frequencies. The easiest and simplest way is to remove yourself physically from those individuals, the music that you're listening to, the media that you're listening to, that causes you to feel discord or causes you to feel upset, anxiety, or discomfort in your physical body, or some level of negative feeling. We just want you to be consciously aware of where you are operating from and where and whom you are interacting with. Since we are speaking about frequency, we are asking this channel to attach a short clip of the conch shell that we have asked him to play so that you will be able to feel one type of high frequency, high vibration sound. This will support you, this will assist you, and allow it to wash over you. So that will be attached to the end of this channeling, which we will be complete with now. Please continue the wonderful work that you are doing. You are supported. We are complete.